to practice your muscle strength in your fingers and your fine motor skills and your dexterity. Today we are going to make a wonderful dream catcher that we can use to catch all our dreams. You will need a pair of scissors, a single hole punch, some sticky tape, white paper plate, yarn, and a couple of feathers to make your dream catcher look more exciting. First, you have to take your paper plate and a piece of chalk. I'm using chalk. You can use anything, paint or coloring pencils, and you have to follow the circle. You need to follow the circle in an anti-clockwise movement. So draw a line where you're going to cut later on, and then start there as if you're going to make the letter C. Follow the line, the circle of the paper plate until you've completed the O. So when you're sure you know exactly where the C and the O stops, you can start cutting your paper plate, or if you want, you can decorate it a little bit to make it more exciting. You can use more than one color if you want, just to make it a little bit more exciting. Exactly where you have drawn the line where you're going to cut your paper plate, you cut on this line and then cut out the circle exactly on the line that you have drawn until it looks like this. To punch the holes, you need to space them evenly. You will need quite a little bit of muscle strength in your fingers to punch the holes. So you can count 2 steps and punch another hole, and 2 and another hole, or you can make the spacings bigger or smaller as you wish. Once you've done this, your paper plate will look like that, but we do not want the gap there. So what we will do is we will use a piece of sticky tape or masking tape if you want, and just stick it together right there where you cut it, so that you close it again. The yarn you need to cut in long pieces of yarn, and then tie them right at the top, and then you can start weaving your dream catcher. So you will start on this one hole and then take it across and take it across again, then use this piece, and as you go along you will add many more pieces of yarn. So you will cut a piece of yarn about this length and then tie it through the hole, and then carry on weaving until you have this. I made this one in pink because I think my dreams are sometimes pink. Towards the end, you can add a few feathers. You can tie the feathers like this. For the blue dream catcher, the blue and yellow, I'm going to use a yellow piece of yarn. So just put the feather like this, and then you can just tie a knot around the feather, or you can use sticky tape to stick the feather onto the yarn. Give it another knot, tie another knot, and then you have your feather to hang down from your dream catcher at the bottom. And right at the end, this is what you'll have. As you can see, I wove mine in a pattern like this, in and out, in and out, but you can do it any which way you want. There you go.